Friends, welcome to lecture number 3, that is Cucumber Maven project in IntelliJ. In this lecture you will learn how to create a simple Maven project in IntelliJ for working with Cucumber and Selenium, and how to add the Maven dependencies required for the Selenium and Cucumber, and also install the plugins, that is Gherkin plugin and Cucumber for Java plugin that is required. I have already started the IntelliJ and created the project for the Selenium and Cucumber. I'll just briefly explain you the steps that you need to take to create a new project. So for that you have to click on file, new, then click on project, and then you have to select the maven on the right hand side over there, then click on create from the archetype. Here you have to select the JDK. Depending upon what JDK you're using, you can select JDK. So here you can see that I have got so many JDK, so you can select one of them, and in here you can select quick start archetype, click on next. Here you can give the group ID, which is normally in this format, reverse domain name, then artifact ID, say cell cucumber, whatever artifact ID you want to put, and then you can select the maven, bundled maven, or the maven directory that you have already downloaded and installed. Then you can give the project name, and then when you click on finish, it starts creating the project for you. It will create the main source directory, then main directory, test directory. This is the default directory layout of the maven project, and it also created this Java directory, but this resources directory is not created. I have created it manually by clicking on this test directory and then new directory, like that. And after creating the resources directory, you need to mark that directory as test sources root, like that. And it also creates the pom.xml file at the root directory. So if you click on that, you will come to this particular file, and you will need to add these dependencies. So Selenium Java dependency, then JN dependency you will need to add, then Cucumber Java dependency, and Cucumber JN dependency. So these 4 dependencies are required in your maven project. Sometimes these dependencies are not downloaded automatically. So to download those forcibly, these dependencies, what you have to do is click on view and then click on tool windows pro maven projects, and then this particular window will come up on the right hand side. Then you have to click on this particular button, and then it will download the required jar files as specified in the dependency section of your pom.xml. Once you are done with this, what you have to do is you have to go ahead and download and install that plugins. So in the settings, you have to click on plugins, and then you can click on browse repositories. Over there you can specify Cucumber for Java. So this plugin you need to install. So since I have already installed that plugin, this download or install button is not there. But if you click on this, you can see that Cucumber for Groovy, this plugin is not installed. So you can click on install button and then install that particular plugin. So it will automatically download the Gherkin as well. So you don't need to download and install the Gherkin separately. And after this is installed, you need to restart the IntelliJ, and after restarting the IntelliJ, what you can do is go ahead and create the feature file in this particular directory. So what you have to do is click on new file, and over here you have to give the name like abc.feature, like that. So this is the extension of the feature file, and once you create the file, this icon of that file will turn like this. So this is the symbol of the Cucumber. If you see this Cucumber symbol, it means that your plugin is installed properly. Otherwise this plugin is not installed properly, so you need to reinstall that plugin and then see if this particular symbol comes or not. So that is how you can like create a simple maven project in IntelliJ for working with Selenium and Cucumber. And that ends our lecture, and in the next lecture you will learn how to write scenarios in this feature file, how to write the stable definitions and execute the scenarios individually.